Heavy gunfight reported in Sugnu area. An intense gunfight have been reported in Sugnu area on Wednesday morning. Kuki village volunteers and Meitei armed radicals along with their militants exchange heavy gunfire in the peripheral areas. It is to be noted here that Sugnu is the confluence of 4 districts: Kapching, Chandel, Bishnupur and Churchandpur. No injuries have been reported so far, but sporadic firing continues, according to police sources. Several armed individuals fired shots towards Sugnu, prompting a response from the village volunteers, police said. Additional security personnel have been dispatched in the area to prevent the situation from becoming more tense. Last May, Sugnu witnessed severe violence, with all Kukizo houses and villages in and around Sugnu proper set ablaze, and the death of 5 people, forcing hundreds of villagers to seek refuge in relief camps. Wednesday's incident came a day after a 25-year-old village volunteer was killed and 2 others were injured in a gunfight between the 2 warring communities at Pukhao Shantipur in Imphal East district. An army personnel also suffered gunshot injury in a separate incident in the district when a team of security personnel was on its way to control a violent situation.
Sugnu loy ni ha.
Sugnu da na da kanot thua dom tani domjang la lok pai loy ra ni pui ra roi. Okay, yai phare.
Sugnu bibi ka yam yaw ri ne.
Ken ta thang ru sa thau bon cha mayam ma le oi ki le ta thabi na ki da bon. Tamo khoi isil na mayam je. Khoi ti sin na mayam dai di amma ma loi sure ai na zik na mo da ni. Good man.